It is time for my big Halloween project that I didn't get to do last year because last year was last year. But I'm gonna do it this year. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'll have it all done in one evening. This may be a 2-day project, but I think I finally have everything I need for it, including one thing that's not in my bag, but I know it's around here somewhere. I will dig it out later because I am very allergic to it, so I have to be cautious of how often I use it. But yes, my big project. I'm so excited. I have all of my supplies, and I've got this sweet angel. This. Oh, she's kind of awake. This is Tina. Tina's getting a costume. I'm so excited. I'll just help you sit up, Tina, so you can stare at the camera and everybody can see your beautiful, beautiful dead eyes. Or they'll just see your torso. And there we go. Boop. There she is. What an angel. Just do some adjusting. Okay, so Tina. Tina is getting a costume. And Tina is the most perfect thing for this costume, which is probably not going to be hard to figure out. Even if I don't put what the costume is in the title, because Tina is getting this costume very specifically because she has these absolutely beautifully detailed hands that are, oh, look at that. She got like a bleach bath, like 4 of them when we got her, and she still looks like that. Wow, so what an angel. But yeah, so she's got these absolutely perfect hands for it, which was the biggest reason why I haven't done it before getting Tina. It's because I wouldn't know how to do the hands, but now I don't have to worry about it, so I can get on with Tina's very cute. She's gonna be Sam. I'm making Trick or Treat Sam. I'm so excited. almost completely done. I'm gonna finish. Look how big this is. So this part's way too big for her feet, but I think part of the reason it's so big is it's supposed to look baggy. So I gotta do my elastic bands in there. I gotta make her head cover. And then I have to grime up this costume. And then she's gonna be all ready for trick or treat tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish this and then I will do her reveal obviously tomorrow when it's done. Yeah, so I will see you in the next video shot and we'll see what she looks like in her costume.